Former Judge Casey Moreland is back in jail tonight after FBI agents arrested him just this morning. He now faces new obstruction of justice charges on top of charges filed against him last year. Our investigative reporter Ben Hall is examining the criminal complaint.
Well, Rory, he seemed stunned when he appeared in court this afternoon on the new charges, which come from recorded conversations Moreland had with a confidential informant last month.
The former judge was wearing street clothes with chains around his ankles as he walked into court to hear the new charges against him. The FBI claims he tried to convince a witness to destroy records and lie to a grand jury about a cash diversion scheme involving the Drug Court Foundation that Moreland founded and ran for years.
Any experienced lawyer is going to advise their clients not to have any contact with anybody that arguably could be a witness in the case. So, of course, that's been discussed.
Moreland's attorney said he urged his client not to talk with potential witnesses while he was out on bond. Peter Stryan said he had not read all the charges against Moreland, but was shocked by the arrest.
It certainly caught me off guard. I didn't expect to be here talking to you in the rain this afternoon about what happened with Judge Moreland today in court, so it was surprising.
The affidavit describes how Moreland directed a person who later became an informant for the FBI to keep cash payments made to substance abuse counselors. It states the informant became uncomfortable keeping so much cash, so Moreland told her to put half of the cash on his desk in envelopes. It states that some of that money was later used in an attempt to bribe Moreland's former mistress, Natalie Amos, which led to the original charges against him last year.
Well, he's obviously shocked and disappointed at the prospect of being arrested. He was at home this morning on his way to work when he was stopped by two FBI agents that served a criminal complaint on him this morning.
In a recorded lunch meeting last month, Moreland urged the informant not to give information to investigators, saying, "If this comes out, my life's going to be destroyed. There's no way it will come out unless you say something." Moreland did not know the person was wearing a wire.
Moreland is now in the custody of U.S. Marshals. When he is back in court on Tuesday, the government will ask that he be kept behind bars until his trial.